Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best UPS that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the CyberPower CP685AVRG AVR UPS. The COVALENTC1P685AVRG is a smaller, intelligent line topology UPS that provides battery backup and flood protection for PCs, workstations, organization equipment, and home entertainment frameworks. The CP685AVRG uses automatic voltage regulation, AVR, to eliminate minor power changes without switching to battery power, which increases battery life. AVR is fundamental in zones where performance deviations are occasionally encountered. It is the best alternative for most customers. The CyberPower CP685AVR is one of the most cost-effective, using programmed voltage guidelines to protect its equipment and to help predict smaller systems during power outages and thunderstorms. Moving on at number 4, we have the CyberPower ST625U standby UPS. Ensure a constant power supply to your PC and make sure you have the ability to safely close your framework during a prolonged power outage. Make sure that the right home appliances are always connected to your Wi-Fi during power outages and power outages. The device reduces power consumption by using a smaller charger and a smaller inverter to create an efficient home and office reinforcement network. Try not to stop the game if the power goes out. By strengthening the battery, game consoles, sound systems, and chargers continue to operate. Protect sensitive TVs, projectors, satellites, and link boxes from power surges and power surges. At number 3, we have the APC550VA UPS. The APC-BE550G is one of the best-known solutions for private and independent use. 4 of the sockets are powered by 330 watts, giving you plenty of opportunities to save your spreadsheets, and the PC has become boring after all else. During a power outage, the flood-protected battery backup outlets transport decent power for up to an hour, relying on the power of the associated equipment. All sockets provide flood protection and protect your hardware from voltage disturbances caused by floods or surges. So stay connected to your basic devices by making the double selection: battery amplification with flood protection and flood protection only sockets. At number 2, we have the Amazon Basics Standby UPS. With Amazon Basics Uninterruptible Standby Power Supply, UPS, you can protect workstations, home systems, IoT devices, and home-use devices from power surges and power outages. The device has a solid battery boost, so there is no compelling reason to worry about data loss or equipment damage when the power is flooded or out of control. The Amazon Basics UPS arrives at a smooth, minimized size that is negligible in any home or office. The rectangular UPS stands securely on any flat surface, and its small profile works well behind or under a workspace, pacing focus or another area that requires a secure, predictable power supply. And finally at number 1, we have the Vertiv Liebert GXT4 UPS. The unit is a smaller, straightforward solution to maintain the well-being and accessibility of the IT base. It includes a twofold online change innovation that protects the hardware from the full extent of worrying influences such as power outages, hanging, flooding, and noise. It eliminates most of the problems without using battery power. This prolongs battery life and restricts replacement. Moreover, it protects business hardware from power outages, and that's just the tip of the iceberg. This online UPS prepares the power supply permanently to prevent disturbing influences. In the event of a power failure, the battery will be charged without error, without interrupting the power supply to the padded hardware. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.